Hello everyone and welcome to Simply Cooked by Prem. Today we are celebrating Holi with three popular Holi sweets: Malpua, Gujiya and Thandai. These are not just yummy treats but timeless tradition that lights up our festival. Let's get started with the celebration. First up, let's prepare Gujiya. To make the dough, you will need 1 cup Maida, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix these ingredients thoroughly to ensure the butter is evenly distributed. When you squeeze the flour in your hand, it should hold together like you see here. This is crucial for achieving crispy gujiyas. Next, gradually add half cup of water and knead until the dough is tight. Cover it with a moist cloth and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This step is essential to prevent the dough from drying out and help it soften slightly. After resting, knead the dough gently for another 15 minutes. Then let it sit for at least 30 to 60 minutes. While the dough rests, let's prepare the filling. Melt 200 grams of mawa in a pan until it turns light golden. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and roast 2 tablespoons of sooji until slightly brown. Set this aside as well. In the same pan, roast mix of crushed dry nuts, 3 tablespoons of each of almonds, cashews and pistachios along with 2 tablespoons of chironji and some dried coconut flakes. Once roasted, let them cool. Once cooled, combine the roasted nuts, mawa and sooji along with 4 tablespoons of jaggery and 1 teaspoon of green cardamom. Mix well to form the filling. Now roll out portion of the dough into thin, even circles, then use a circular cutter or a small bowl to trim the edges for a neat shape. Lightly moisten the edges with water. This helps create a firm seal. Place a generous spoonful of delicious filling in the center. Then carefully fold the dough over, pressing the edges together. Use a fork to seal and create a beautiful decorative pattern while ensuring the gujiyas is properly sealed. This prevents any filling from spilling out during frying. Heat vegetable oil or ghee over medium heat and fry the gujiyas until they turn a perfect golden brown for 5 to 10 minutes. Once crisp, drain them on a paper towel. Next, let's make Malpua. Start by preparing a sugar syrup. In a pan, combine 1 cup sugar and half cup water. Boil until it thickens into a syrup. Then enhance with cardamom powder and rose water and set aside. For the batter, make 250 grams of mawa with quarter cup of maida and sooji and 25 grams of corn flour. Adjust the consistency with a little water and milk until it resembles dosa or pancake batter. Stir in soft saffron, half tablespoon fennel seed and pinch of cardamom powder. Now let's fry it. Fry spoonful of batter in a flat pan over medium to low heat until browned. Dip the cooked malpua into the sugar syrup and let them soak for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the rabdi by boiling half liters of milk until reduced by half. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar, cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon fennel powder and once cooled, add rose water. Pour the rabdi over the malpuas when ready to serve. Finally, let's make Thandai, a refreshing festive drink. Soak 50 grams each of cashews, almonds, melon seeds and pistachios along with 25 grams of rose petals, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and 2 cardamom pods for 2 hours. Grind these into a fine paste, add 100 grams of sugar candy and blend again. Pour some milk in the mixture and squeeze it out. and repeat the process so that we can drain all the essence from the mixture. Add some ice cubes and serve chilled. I hope you enjoyed these festive Holi recipes. Wish you all a happy and colorful Holi. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Until next time, happy cooking.